Hello, dear students. Today uh, we will talk about the other two states of matter. That means plasma. What is plasma? How it is formed? The state consists of super energetic and super excited particles. That means the particles, or you can say the atoms, which are super energetic, having more energy and more excited. They are more excited due to the absorption of the energy and are in the form of ionized gas. And these particles and these atoms, when they get excited, they attain the charge and they are they are ionized, but that must be in the gas. They gas situation. That means these particles should be far apart from each other, and that uh, system, which consists of super excited particles or super energetic particles having charges over it in the form of gas are very far apart from each other, that state of matter is known as plasma. In your homes there are fluorescent tubes, or you can say rods or lighting rods, and neon sign bulbs which you see on different these sites. They are made of the plasma. In these tubes there are, if we talk about neon bulbs have neon gas. If we talk about the fluorescent tubes, they have helium gas present in them. When the electricity flows through these particles, through these gas particles, they get charged, they get ionized, and these particles glow. And this glowing, by the help of electricity or electric charge, it forms the plasma within the tubes or within the neon bulbs. The charging, that means the charge creates plasma inside which the gas, or inside the device, these devices then glow, or you can say the light comes from these devices. uh, these devices can emit different types of lights. It depends upon the nature of the gas, which type of gas it is present. uh, Next point is that in the natural phenomena, or in the natural these systems, stars like sun and different stars, they glow also because of the presence of plasma in them. Plasma in these stars is created due to the hot, or due to the high temperature present in these stars. That is why the stars or the sun, they glow with the help of, or they glow by creating plasma. Also, when you see the lightning occurs, lightning also creates plasma in our atmosphere. Next is Bose-Einstein condensate. BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate. It was an Indian scientist, physicist, namely S.N. Bose. He was a physicist. He calculated some physical calculations, and on these calculations, Einstein, Albert Einstein, created the fifth state of matter, that is known as Bose-Einstein condensate, or BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate. The fifth state of matter was predicted by Einstein, only predicted on the calculations of S.N. Bose, which was named as BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate. It was only predicted in 1920. But after that, in 2001 or 2001, three scientists from USA, Cornell, E.A. Cornell, W. Catterley, and Carl Weyman, they received the Nobel Prize in physics for creating Bose-Einstein condensate, for creating, which was predicted by Einstein. That state was created in 2001 by these three scientists, and gave the practical proof of the fifth state of matter. The fifth Bose-Einstein condensate is formed by how the fifth state of matter, or you can say Bose-Einstein condensate, is formed. It is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density. We have to take gas. That means the particles must be far away from each other. Gas, we have to take gas and cooling a gas. This gas should be cooled of extremely low density. The gas must have very low density. If we talk about the density of the gas in normal situation, it is 1.22 kilograms per meter cube. It is the normal density of gases at 15 degrees centigrade at sea level. At sea level, it is the normal density of gases. But we have to take extremely low density of low density gas. The density must be 100,000th density of normal air. That means the normal air is having 1.22 kilogram per meter cube. You have to divide this into 100,000th these parts, and then that one part makes the 100,000th the density of normal air to super low temperature, and then we have to super cool them. And when you super cool them, you create the fifth state of matter, that is Bose-Einstein condensate. It was developed, the fifth state of matter, like this by these three scientists. It was the completion of the chapter. There is a question that conversion of temperatures. I will write here some formula on which you can put the values and you can interconvert Fahrenheit into Celsius, Celsius into Fahrenheit, or you can say Kelvin into Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit into Kelvin. And these formula are like this. If you have to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit, then the first equation is Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius C into 9 by 5 plus 32. 9 by 5 actually it is the if you talk about 32 is the 0 degree, it is the 0 degree of Fahrenheit, and 212 is the boiling point. Actually 32 it is the freezing point of water, and 212 is the boiling point of water. If we talk about on Celsius scale, it is 0 degree and 100 degree, and then you can divide. There are 180 parts in this and 100 parts in this. 100 parts. If you divide 180 divided by 100, you will get 18 by 10. That means it is 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10. That means 9 by 5, like this. 9 by 5 come from this. Fahrenheit is equal to centigrade into 9 by 5 plus 32. If you have to convert Fahrenheit into centigrade, then centigrade is equal to, or Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. It is conversion of, it is reciprocal of this 9 by 5. And then if you have the Kelvin scale is equal to Fahrenheit plus 459 into 5 by 9. 459 is the absolute zero temperature, absolute 0 degree Celsius, 0 degree Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit. It is absolute 0 degree Fahrenheit, or you can say 0 degree Fahrenheit value is about 459 Kelvin. Thank you. Have a nice day.